Hi, my name's Tom Shue, and today I want to show you why sharpening in Photoshop is the only way to do it. Okay? When you sharpen your images in Lightroom, you just have no control. You think you do, but you really don't. So let's zoom in. Let's move this image over a little bit. The idea is to sharpen where you want to sharpen and not where you don't. So if we just come down here and hold down our Alt key and we grab this, and it's the Option key on the Mac, it'll give us kind of like a gray screen. And we can bring our sharpening up to the B looks sharp. Okay, so the B looks nice and sharp. Do the same thing for the radius. Bring it up until we start to see the edges get pushed real hard. And that's, again, we're holding down the Alt key, and that's the Option key on the Mac. Now we'll do the same thing for detail. We'll bring up the detail slider till we got a good amount of detail. Okay, and then masking. What this is designed to do is to remove sharpening from the background in areas you don't want to apply. So whatever's in white is where it will be applied. So you can see that sharpening has been applied to, different areas of the image, and there's just no way to get rid of it. So what we'll do is I'll show you the before and the after. There's the before and there's the after. So let's go ahead and reset this. Let's get this back to 0. Okay. Let's hand this file over to Photoshop, and I'll show you a really good way to sharpen. So it's Control E or Command E on a Mac, and it's going to send the file over to Photoshop. Now you want to zoom in and view your file somewhere around, okay, just to see what's happening. Hold on the space bar, it gives you the hand tool, you can move stuff around. So we're going to duplicate the layer. That's Control J or Command J on the Mac. And then we're going to go to Filter, and we're going to go to Sharpen, and we're going to go to Unsharp Mask. Okay. With preview selected, it will show us what we're going to be doing here. Now the radius, I like to keep it down low. 0.6, 0.7, somewhere in that area, 0.8. And this is for fine detail. I set my threshold like around 3 or 4. Okay, and then I worry about my amount. I'm just going to slide the amount slider over until I start to see artifacting creep in all over the image. I might push it a little bit more in this tutorial just so you can see what's going on. Okay, so you can see we're starting to get that orange peel look throughout the image. So we're going to back this off somewhere in that area. Okay, now don't worry about it being applied to the rest of the image. We're just going to click OK. And now we're going to hold down the Alt key and we're going to click this mask icon. That's the Option key on the Mac. You click it and it's going to hide everything. So we're going to make sure we have our white chip selected. If it's not, you hit the X key to make that selected. Hit the B key for your brush. Okay? With that layer mask selected, painting in white, we're just going to come in and paint the areas that we want sharpening to be applied. So we make this brush a little bit smaller, sharpen this wing, maybe sharpen these legs a little bit. Now if you're unsure of what you've applied it to, just hit the backslash key, okay? And we're just going to paint and make sure that we've revealed what we want to reveal, and we haven't revealed anything else that we don't want to reveal. Okay, so like this flowers down here, we're going to hit the X key and we're just going to paint that over and hide it. Okay, maybe a little bit there, and we're going to call that good. Maybe just a little bit of this wing. Okay, hit the backslash key again, and now you can see that we've just sharpened the beat. There's been nothing else applied to the rest of the image. So that's it. What we'll do is we'll flatten our image, right click, flatten, and then Control S or Command S on the Mac, and it'll save the image back into Lightroom. It's loading it up, and now we've got a sharpened image without any of the artifacting. So that's it. Thank you all for taking time to visit today, and until next time, we'll see you soon.